So today we're going to be taking a look at a screen protector that's new to the market. They've made them before, but this one is an anti-reflective one for your new iPhone 17 series, and it is really, really good. And today we are taking a look at the Caudabe Crystalshield Elite AR screen protector for the iPhone 17 Pro Max and iPhone Air. Now, huge shout out to Caudabe for sending this over to me to review for you guys. The price on it is $35, and of course I do have a discount code for you guys. Use code BriansTech15. I'll leave that right here. Save yourself 15% off of their site, so it's even cheaper than that. Let's go ahead and take a look. I actually already have it on my iPhone 17 Pro Max. We're about to install it on the iPhone Air, and I can't wait to show it to you guys. So taking a look at the packaging, very classic Caudabe packaging here. Caudabe there, Crystalshield Elite AR. This one is for the iPhone Air, and you get a little more information here on the back. So you're gonna get an advanced anti-reflective coating on here to reduce the glare and enhance clarity. Rated 7 on Mohs hardness scale for scratch resistance. It's going to have an advanced electroplated oleophobic coating to resist fingerprints, which it's really good at, and a nice tray for installation. So let's go ahead and take a look at this thing and we'll see how it is. So we take the outer box out, then you get this box right here. So what we're gonna do is we are going to open it. Let me find out how to first. There we go. We'll open it and see what all we get on the inside, right? So as soon as you open it up, you just get this little thing right here. Here is your installation tray for the screen protector. And then in here, you're going to get all of your little stuff to install. So first things first, as you guys see, right here, we get a full coverage screen dust removal sticker. I love that. So many other companies have to start doing this because this makes life so much easier. Now, this is also going to come not only for the 17, you're going to be able to get this for the 16 Pro, 16 Pro Max, and the entire iPhone 17 lineup. So you got the 17, the Air, the Pro, and the Pro Max. So you can all enjoy the Elite AR, the anti-reflective screen protector, even on a non-anti-reflective screen like the 16 Pro and Pro Max. So love to see that there. Now in here also, you're going to get a little instruction guide on how to install this. I'll show you guys how to do it though, don't worry. And then in here, we are going to get some other stuff, the usual, stickers, the microfiber cleaning cloth, all that. So let's open that up, make sure we didn't miss anything. All right, so we get some more dust removal stickers here if you need those. You're gonna get a screen cleaning wipe right here, a microfiber cleaning cloth, of course, that big dust removal sticker, and that's about it. Now, the only other thing I'd love to see on here is I've seen some screen protectors are coming with like a little foam tray on there that you can use to lay the phone on, so that way it doesn't rock or anything like that. It's not the biggest deal in the world. You'll still be able to get a perfect installation, but it's just one of those little other things that I would like to see. Now, like I said, I do currently have it on my 17 Pro Max, and this thing has been really nice. The edges are nice and smooth, so no sharp edges when it comes to swiping. Easy, the anti-reflectiveness is really good. The display clarity is great. It does not affect your display quality at all. I've been running this on my phone for about a week and a half so far, and I've been loving it. Just taking a look, you are going to get a little black edge, so that is going to come all the way up to the edge of the screen there, and you're not going to have any issues of it covering any of your screen. It is going to be just fine when it comes to that. So let's actually go ahead and install it on the iPhone Air. So I do actually have this thing charging. Loving the iPhone Air, by the way. So what I'm going to do is fast forward through some of the installation. I'll show you all the steps, but I just want to avoid some of the, long wiping and all that. So we'll fast forward through some stuff, but you'll see it all. Let's go ahead and get started. So I did take out the alcohol swab. I did already turn my phone off here. You always want to turn it off, makes things easier, especially because the tap to wake right there. So you don't want to have that opening up. All right, so now that we wiped that off with the alcohol swab, let's go ahead and take our microfiber cleaning cloth, make sure any glue, any of that stuff, all the moisture is off of the screen. All right, next up, what we'll do is we're gonna take this big dust removal sticker here, and we are going to just take that and apply it directly to the top of the screen, smooth that over, give it a second. You wanna get all that dust up, and of course you do get these other ones right here, but this one is going to do a really good job of getting all that up. All right, so we'll just peel that up real quick, and then what I like to do is I fold this up, and I just look at it from an angle to make sure there's no other dust particles. All right, set that off to the side. Now what you're gonna do is you're gonna take this and you're gonna flip it over. We're gonna make sure this has nothing else on it one more time, just from an angle, and you're going to flip this into the actual case like this. So now what we're looking at is the phone is inside, it's touching this little plastic piece in there, and then when you flip it, it actually does say top here. You want to make sure you look at that before you install it. Obviously, make sure you put it in correctly. I did just that, so we are in there. Now what we're going to do is we're going to put this down this way, and you're going to pull this tab. We're going to wait about 30 seconds and see if we have any air bubbles. If we do, you can always use a little credit card to do that, or a squeegee if you have one. Now this does not come with a squeegee, so that is something to note. Let's go ahead and see. All right, so there's that. And then what I like to do is just swipe my finger in there one time, and we're gonna leave this alone, like I said, for about 30 seconds, let this adhere completely, and we'll come right back and see what it's looking like. All right, so it's been about 30 seconds. Let's go ahead and take the tray off and see what the screen protector looks like. So first thing, you wanna take a look and you see, real quick, just to show you guys, you do get a 2-year warranty with the screen protector, which is really nice. Love that Caudabe did include that. And of course, if you need a video on how to install it, and this one you don't like for some reason, then you can scan the QR code right there, and they also do include one in the packaging as well, and see how to do it from their website. So what I like to do is just take these right here, pop those tabs down on the top part, and then you just want to pull this up just like that, and here we go. Now, as you guys can see, we do have a little bit of bubbling around the edges, but it's not a big deal because there's no dust under them. So what we're going to do is we're going to take a little squeegee, and we're going to get all of these out real quick. So I'll just show you guys how to do that. And here we go. We have a very nice installation with no issues. Now, if you do get any bubbles that are too stubborn, as long as there's no dust under them, they'll go away within an hour or two. Sometimes it'll take all the way up to a day, but a lot of screen protectors are like that. But let's go ahead and turn on this iPhone Air, and we'll see what it looks like. So there we go. That's turning on. But like I said, I do have it on the 17 Pro Max here, and it has been very nice. The display does not have any hindrance in quality. You guys know exactly what my background looks like. You see it every day in my videos, and this looks the same. And then when you turn the screen off, look at that anti-reflectiveness. That looks really good. So you could take this out, and even in the sunlight, you will be just fine. When it comes to using your phone outside, you'll have no issues, and it works really, really well. You don't get any weird colors or anything like that with it. And you guys see, I have a big studio light right there, and this is what it looks like with really bright lights. It's shining directly in my face, and there is no issues. As you guys can see, I can even hold it up just like that, and it does a really, really good job when it comes to being anti-reflective. But let's go ahead and take a look at it on the Air real quick, just to make sure. Let me go ahead and put in my pin here so you can see that. And the same thing applies here. So they both look really, really good. You guys be the judge and let me know what you think. Do you see any screen bleed? I'll show you here on the Air. Everything is looking very nice all the way around, and when it comes to all of the sides. So B, what do you think of the Caudabe Elite AR? Is it elite? And the answer is yes. You're getting it for $35, especially with my discount code, you get even more money off. Yes, it's still up there in price. I understand $35 only for one, but for everything that you're getting with it, with the quality of it, the edges are not sharp. It's a really good fit every single time, and it works really well with most cases. Any case that I've put my iPhone 17 Pro Max in, any of the videos you guys have seen recently, it has all been with the Caudabe Elite AR screen protector. And let's actually take a look at it with the new Synthesis Frost, which, by the way, I did just recently review that. I've been loving that case. I'll leave that one at the end of this video, but we can attach it to this one and put it in there. And as you guys can see, this is the case I've been using the last couple days. Fits on there perfectly. And I'm gonna actually go ahead and take over another case, bring another case over, just to show you guys that it'll still work with other cases without raising up your screen lip. Now, this is going to be the Banks Armor Pro case, not affiliated with Caudabe at all. And just like I said, you're not going to have any issues besides that screenshot that I just took. You're not going to have any issues when it comes to using your screen protectors on either of these phones or any of the other phones with any of your cases. But what do you guys think about the Caudabe Crystalshield Elite AR screen protector? It's a mouthful, I know, but definitely let me know what you think about it down in the comments. Make sure you guys like the video and subscribe to the channel. That goes a really long way for me and allows me to make these videos for you. We are this close to hitting 10,000 subs, and I cannot wait to get there. I would love to see that happen. So if you guys liked what I had to say or enjoyed the video, definitely make sure you get subbed up, because we got a ton of accessories coming for both of these phones, and I cannot wait to show them to you. But if you guys want to see my full review of the Caudabe Synthesis Frost that I just did, and I've been loving it, that video is right here. If you guys want to see my 1 week later review of the iPhone Air that I used as my main phone, I'll leave that right here.